Get ready to join me in the kitchen as I take on the challenge of recreating my mom's wholesome magic chickpea soup recipe. There's just something so special about comfort food, isn't there? It's like a warm hug in a bowl, transporting us back to memories of our childhood, of our parents' kitchens, of the simple, carefree moments that make life so beautiful. We're all about simplicity here, folks. No fancy techniques, no exotic ingredients, just good old-fashioned, wholesome food that nourishes our bodies and our souls. And that's exactly what I want to share with you today, a recipe that's easy to make, easy on the budget, and most importantly, easy on the heart. We all need a little comfort in our lives, don't we? With the world moving at such a fast pace, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle and forget to take care of ourselves. That's why I believe in the power of simple, wholesome recipes like this magic chickpea soup. They remind us to slow down, take a breath, and savor the moment. There's just something so therapeutic about cooking, don't you think? The chopping, the sautéing, the simmering, it's like meditation for me. And when you're cooking with love, like I am today, the energy just radiates out of every pot and pan, filling the entire kitchen with warmth and positivity. To make this magic happen, we'll need a few simple ingredients, starting with a can of chickpeas, the protein-packed star of our show. These little guys are packed with fiber, protein, and all sorts of good stuff that'll leave you feeling full and satisfied. Next up, we've got some aromatic onions, celery, and carrots, the holy trinity of comfort food, if you ask me. These guys add a depth of flavor and a boost of vitamins that'll make this soup sing. Of course, no comfort food recipe would be complete without a little bit of TLC from some olive oil and a pinch of salt. These two ingredients might seem simple, but trust me, they make all the difference in bringing out the flavors of our magical chickpeas. And finally, we've got some veggie broth and diced tomatoes to bring everything together in a rich, comforting sauce. These two ingredients will transport you straight to your grandma's kitchen, I promise. Alright, let's get cooking. First, we'll sauté our onions, celery, and carrots in some olive oil until they're soft and fragrant. Then, we'll add in our chickpeas, veggie broth, and diced tomatoes, letting everything simmer together until the flavors have melded together in perfect harmony. As the aroma of this soup wafts through the air, I'm immediately transported back to my childhood, sitting around the dinner table with my family, feeling happy, full, and content. It's like a big ol' hug in a bowl. And when I take that first sip, oh, it's like comfort food heaven. The flavors just melt together in a delicious, soothing harmony that warms my heart and fills my belly. I want to encourage you to try this recipe out for yourself, and then share your own comfort food stories with me in the comments below. What's your go-to dish when you need a pick-me-up or a warm hug? Let's keep the comfort food love alive and thriving in this community. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today, friends. If you want more cozy recipes like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to turn on notifications. Let's stay warm, cozy, and comforted together, one delicious recipe at a time.